What is peer-to-peer arbitrage? Welcome guys to this lesson where we are going to learn what peer-to-peer arbitrage is. My name is Pedro and I'm an expert from the online school MoneyFest, where we help people make money in crypto and start understanding how everything works. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to learn what is peer-to-peer arbitrage. Maybe you heard about it, and I can already tell you it's an incredible way to start making money on the crypto world. Now, first question, what is exactly peer-to-peer arbitrage? Well, peer-to-peer arbitrage is a strategy that profits from the difference in prices on the peer-to-peer market. We go to a market where there's a difference in the price. Someone is selling for $1 and someone is buying for $2, and we're gonna be in the middle taking that difference on the price. Okay, Pedro, but what is even the peer-to-peer market? I don't know, maybe it's the first time we are seeing this. Well, the peer-to-peer market is a market where two people directly exchange cryptocurrency with no intermediary. In crypto, you can exchange cryptocurrencies in an exchange. This is the place where you go and you can buy and sell, well, basically with an intermediary, with an exchange. But there's also the option to go directly to a person who wants to sell an exact amount of crypto. Maybe they want to sell 3 Bitcoins and there's someone who wants to buy 3 Bitcoins. Well, in that case, they reach an agreement, both of them, and they agree on a price and a quantity, and they just do it themselves. Obviously, they don't do it only themselves, because to make it safe, there's always some kind of intermediary help, like from an exchange, like for example, Binance or, well, the top biggest exchanges in the world. But at the end of the day, this peer-to-peer market is a market where two people directly exchange the cryptocurrency with no intermediary. Now, how do we really make money here? Well, very simple. We take the difference in the prices. Why there's difference in prices? You may ask why someone would sell Bitcoin for 50,000 and someone else would sell it for 55,000. Well, for a lot of reasons, mainly because of some regional preferences. Maybe some people want to pay in a specific way to get these cryptocurrencies. Maybe they cannot deposit directly in Binance or in other exchanges, and it's more convenient to do a bank transfer to an intermediary. Well, that's one of the reasons. Option 2, different payment methods. Maybe some bank is not supported and the other bank yes, and you want to use that bank. Well, with the peer-to-peer market, you will find someone who can help you use that payment method. And thanks to that, well, you will find the difference in prices and you will make a profit. So at the end of the day, we have a market that is inefficient and we are making it more efficient. We are making it good for everyone and we are taking a profit. Now, this makes very good money, okay? Why? Because their returns can compound quickly because of the way it works. Basically, we can do one transaction and it's not gonna take, like in a normal trade when you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, I don't know, 3 hours or 5 hours or I don't know, maybe 1 day, maybe 1 week. No, here we buy and sell absolutely almost instantly when we do a transaction. When we open a transaction, in less than 10 minutes normally they are finalized. And then we can go for the next one. What does this mean? This means that we can do compounding, the famous compound interest. If we start with 100 and we make only 2.5%, we start with 100, but then we have 102.5. Then we have 104. Then we have 106. Then we have, and it continues growing and growing and growing and growing, because now we have every time more money. That's how we can generate a very high return very quickly. That's why my students are making over 30,000 rands a month with this method. Because you can compound it to the level that you want. You can start with a small amount, 100, 200, 300 rands, and grow all the way until you have enough to achieve, I don't know, any of the things you may look for, a car, a house, as much as you want. There's a point where you're gonna stop or you can continue growing. It's as simple as that. So let me show you an example. This is Binance. It's the exchange where we can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And now we are on the peer-to-peer section. As you can see here, we have plenty of advertisements from people who are willing to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. For example, this person is willing to sell us his USDT. We can buy USDT, which is the equivalent to the dollar, for 18 rands each of them. Basically 18 rands for $1. If we go down, Faisal is offering 18.1 rands per dollar. If we go down, Amol is offering 18.6 rands per dollar, etc., etc., etc. If we go to the sell part, we can see people who's offering to buy our USDTs for 17.78 rands, for 17.76, for 17.75, all the way, and you can see we have plenty of advertisements. So in this market, as I said, we have people willing to reach an agreement. You don't just go and put an order to buy or to sell. You find someone who's buying or selling what you want for the price that you want and with the payment method that you want. Because here on the right, we can see the different payment methods that maybe we need. Maybe we need NetBank, maybe we need Capitec, maybe we need a special bank transfer. Well, all of these payment methods, we have them there. Now, how do we make money here? Well, fairly simple. If you pay attention, you will see that right now the exchange between the dollar and the rand is around 17.50 rands per dollar. However, there's people here who buy your dollars for 17.78. What does that mean? Well, that means that the price is higher here, which means that we can make a profit. If we open the calculator, we can see that 17.78 divided by the real price, which is 17.5, we have a 1.6% difference in price. This can vary, sometimes it's 1.6, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, depends on the time of the day, depends on where you do it. But in general, there is a difference in price. So we can buy in one that is cheaper and sell in the one that is expensive. And that way, we can make a profit every single time. Now, the magic, as I said, comes from compound interest. Let's say that we start with $100 or even 100 rands, same thing, it doesn't matter. And we start making, let's say, 2.5%, not much. Sometimes it's 1.5, sometimes it's 2.5, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 5. Let's say 2.5%. Okay, on the first trade, we are going to make $102. But if again we do 2.5%, we'll have 105. Then we'll have 107, then 110, then 113, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28, 31, 34, 37, 40, 44, 48, 50, 55, 59, 63, 67, 72, 76, 80, 85, 90. You can see how in only 20 transactions, we already almost doubled our money. And the more money we have, the faster it's going to compound. If we start with 1,000 and we do the same thing, you will see that on the beginning we get 25 rands. If we do it again, now we go 25.5, then 66, then 103, 131, 159, 188, 200, 250, 280, 312, 340, 380, 412, 450, 480, 521. Every time it grows faster and faster and faster. Now, this is the compound interest. Now, why is this so important? Because as I said, if you do a trade, normally you have to wait for the price to go up. You cannot just do it every time. And sometimes there's opportunities, sometimes there's just not opportunities. However, here, we can do it all the time. There is these advertisements all the time. There is plenty of opportunities here all the time for us to take this profit. So we can do it 5, 6, 7 times every single hour. So we can double our money almost every day. And that's why this is a great way to start making money in crypto. And if you want to learn more about it, if you want to really put the effort and start making money in crypto, I recommend you to come to our next live stream, which will be on Tuesday. Come to our live stream and learn exactly how to apply this, how you can start making money with this method every single day, like our students are already doing it, and they are changing their life. So I am waiting for you on the live stream. See you there.